This video will guide you on discover how to effectively use the Career Advancement Tracker. This application supports identifying top performers and employees needing improvement and send tailored email reports to department managers for actionable insights. As the required fields are different between different questions, here we directly click Start Chat to initial a conversation. There are 3 features available. We will show you the 3 features one by one in this video. Input question 1 to process. Enter detailed employee information for analysis and comparison. If you don't know the required fields and format, please ask the agent provided. The agent will organize the performance details and follow the workflow preset to analyze and give the response as shown. Enter the command to start question 2 query. According to the reminder, enter the employee's salary, the current market value for the role, location, title, and other necessary details. The more details, the accurate CATE analysis. The agent will compare the salary with the market value via the enabled tools and details provided. Then it will returns the result. If there is nothing additional for question 2, please fill question 3 to proceed. Provide information about employees across different departments. The agent will reorganize the employee's information, then follow the prompts to analysis and output the comparison reports. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Career Advancement Tracker.